500K challenge. We at the Flip Hacking Live 2022 down in Orlando. Real estate investing, talking all of that, how to get deals, deal flow, how to do your marketing, everything that you need to do is to be a successful real estate investor. That's what we're doing. And no, it's been a really good experience, as it always is. But really, just being able to network, talk with other real estate investors across the United States, even in Canada, and just kind of see what's going on with their market, understand what other people are doing in their real estate investing business, and then just kind of listening to understand, hey, what are some things that you can apply in your business today? So it's always good to just kind of have a crosstalk and just talk with other people and see what they're doing in other sides of the market, other sides of the U.S., and just kind of understand what's going on, man, and just kind of just crosstalk. You can hear one thing that can make you an extra $100,000 in your business. You know, from just being in the room, just being able to listen to what somebody else is using and leveraging in order to be successful in their business. So that's what I really love about these events, these mastermind groups, the networking, talking with other investors. That just because you're constantly learning, we're constantly growing, we're constantly evolving, and that's how you become successful in life. Just being able to listen and be in the room with other people that's looking to try to evolve, to kind of grow as an entrepreneur, that's trying to grow as a real estate investor. That's all you can ask for. And so I think that's the biggest thing that a lot of entrepreneurs, that they try to focus and be solo entrepreneurs. They want to do everything themselves. They want to get it out the mud. They want to do it all alone. They want to be self-made. And you can't be self-made. At the end of the day, you look at the greats like Kobe Bryant, LeBron James. They got a team around. They got a team of trainers. They got nutritionists. They got coaches. They got all these people and resources to help them be successful. And I think that's what a lot of people, what's up, what's going on? Pastor Sanders, what's going on, man? Much success. Got things going on down there. Until we're burned out, we're tired, we're exhausted before we start trying to solicit help and to try to figure out what it is or who it is that we need to bring in our business in order for us to scale to go to the next level. And so I think that's the big thing that we got to understand is you can't do this for a long period of time by yourself. You got to be able to bring on a team. You got to have someone to be able to at least drive the leads, or somebody that's going to get on the phone and talk to motivated sellers, somebody that's going to do the dispositions and make sure that the contract's closed, somebody that's going to do the work, the contracted work. You're not trying to do all the work by yourself, or somebody you're going to have a realtor on your team that's going to sell the house. All these pieces of the business that you need to bring, and the sooner you can bring people in to do these tasks, the more you can go and find deals, the more you can negotiate. You can scale up your business where you're not working in your business, you're working on your business. And so I think that's one of the biggest things that we as entrepreneurs need to learn, is that it's okay to let go. It's okay not to be a jack of all trades. It's okay not to be doing all the jobs and doing it by yourself, and trying to go and trying to be self-made, because you're just gonna burn yourself out at the end of the day. And so that was one of the things that kind of helped us scale up to where we're over 100 units for our rental portfolio. And it was just building a team. And I'm a true believer, and I've seen it firsthand. If you can help more people achieve what they want to have in life, then that's going to help you achieve more in your life. And so taking on that mantra and being able to have that mindset transformation, that mindset shift, and being able to help my coaching clients be successful and find deals, that's been able to open up more opportunities, more deals that I would have never seen by myself, or seen just myself, because I wasn't even in those markets. But now, being able to pour into other people, now I can partner on deals with my coaching clients and help them become successful, and at the same time I'm becoming more successful. And so that's the thing that you just got to look at. Where can you level up? What's the one thing in your business that you hate doing? If you figure out what that one thing is in your business that you hate doing, now you need to hire somebody to do that for you. And if they don't do it 100% as well as you do it, that's okay. If they do it 80% as good as you can do it, that's fine. Your business will be okay. But guess what? That's pulling all your time. You don't have to do that anymore. And you can focus on the things that you really love doing, and the things that's going to bring you in more income for your business, whether it's real estate, whether it's baking cakes, baking cookies, whether it's being a consulting business or whatever it is. Figure out how you can hire somebody to replace some of the work that you're doing right now. That's what every business owner need to be doing. You need to be firing yourself for some of these tasks, because some of this stuff that you could pay somebody $5 or $10 in the Philippines to do, you shouldn't be doing that stuff. You need to be doing $50, $100, $1,000 an hour tasks for your business, and outsource anything less than that amount. You need to outsource it. And so that's why I challenge all the entrepreneurs, everybody that's out there that's in business. Look at what can you outsource and bring in, hire somebody in order to start doing that task for you. So it'll free you up to do more and more things that you want to do, that you need to do for your business in order to be successful. And I think that's one of the things that we need to do, continually audit our businesses, especially now as the economy is shifting and changing. We need to be constantly reinventing ourselves as entrepreneurs, but we also need to be looking at our business on how we can do things smarter and better at the end of the day, so we can be more efficient with the resources that we have in our business to make them go that much further, so we can continue to be successful. So just want to jump on. What's going on, Reggie? See him on here. We're just talking about entrepreneurship. Deidre, Reginald Brownlee, Mississippi's in the house tonight. We got a couple people from Mississippi that jumped in on the call tonight. Miss Rodriguez. And yeah, so that's what it's about. We out here Flip Hacking Live down in Orlando, and I just got to be more consistent with these, with my Facebook videos, with the lives that I committed to. But we just got to make time for what's important. And so that's the thing. We just got to keep everything that's important in front of us and keep moving forward. But I'm encouraged that, you know, the news, you get a lot of doom and gloom, but there's a lot of opportunities out here. And there's a lot of people out here that need help on the real estate side, with people going in pre-foreclosure, people that's inherited a lot of houses, forced probate. All these things are opportunities whereas that you can help people. What's up, Raymond? And the more opportunities, the more ways that you can figure out how to help people, the more successful you're going to end up being in life. If you can figure out how to solve people's problems. So that's what it's all about. You know, real estate investors, we solve problems. We solve people's problems that have houses. That's all it is. And the more that you think about your business as, you know, solving problems, you'll be good. And you look at the iPhone. I got, you know, shout out to Apple. I just turned on my iPhone. I just converted over from Android to iPhone user today for the camera. It's all right. It's good. I got 30 days. I can take it off, take it back. We'll see. But that's what it's all about at the end of the day. You know, you got to solve problems. Apple saw that they want to be a user-friendly iPhone, and people wanted to have something that's simple. And so they, oh, yeah, I'm also on Facebook Live. What up? We got the one and only TT in the building. How you getting this real estate investing? And yeah, so that's it. Y'all be on the lookout. Since I got everybody's got a few people's attention, we're going November 14th. We're gonna kick off. We got a 1-week challenge. I'm gonna talk about real estate investing, 5 days of me teaching real estate investing and going in on helping people buy more cash flowing assets to add to their portfolio. If you're looking at buying some cash flowing real estate, definitely tap in. You're going to be seeing more about that in the upcoming weeks leading up to November 14th. But that week, we're going to do a 5-day challenge in the evening and just talking all things real estate. And so y'all be on the lookout for that. We can do it if we all work together, help others make things happen. That's it. That's it. Yeah, the cars and clothes and all the materialistic stuff. Yeah, that stuff don't matter. I agree with you 100%. You know, just focusing in on what's important at the end of the day. That's what it's all about. And the more you can help other people, the more successful you're going to be in life. And I'm a true believer that one of the big things, you know, coming out the conference today, I always try to take, when I come to these type of events, you know, find one thing that kind of sets, that level sets, and I can take and put in my business. And I think one of the big things is leverage. I got to leverage time more with not doing tasks that I can outsource. Even if it takes more time for me to put the SOPs. What's going on, bro? Put the SOPs in place, whereas that now I can train somebody, my VA, my executive assistant can do more of this stuff. Because I'll tell you, be honest, it was a lot of stuff I've done this week that I shouldn't be doing. But I'm doing it just so I can go ahead and get it done. And so that's one of the things, me growing as an entrepreneur, is like, okay, I got to sit down, I got to record myself, I got to document so I can give this to my assistant so he can do it, because I shouldn't be doing this stuff. Even though, yep, I can do it a whole lot faster than he can, but a lot of this stuff I shouldn't be doing. And so, and I just got to sit down and document it so he can help me out. And so that's on me. I got to take ownership for that. But so we're all a work in progress, continuing to grow. But the thing is, what you don't want to be is when you look at your life 1 year from today and you say, wow, when I look back at where I was at October 13th, October 14th of 2022, and October 13th, 2023, you say I'm in the same place. Don't do that. Don't let that happen to you. You don't want to be in the same place you were at 1 year ago. That's the thing that we got to continue to grow. We got to continue to evolve, because at the end of the day, you don't want to sit here and say that, yeah, I could have took action. I could have did this. I could have did that. I could have went off and executed on my dreams, but I chose not to. And I'm in the same place in life that I was 1 year ago. That's the thing that we can't happen, that we got to continue to stay growing. We can't become stagnant, and we got to stay motivated. And we got to put ourselves in a community of people around us, our network around us, that's pushing us to greatness. They're not letting us kind of waddle in the mud. They're not letting us be stagnant and just kind of staying stationary in our dreams. They're pushing us to greatness. They're motivating us. They're encouraging us. And if you don't have an environment that's encouraging, you got to find the right people. A lot of times it may not be your family, and you may have to separate yourself from your friends that you grew up with, or whatever it may be, in order to find the right tribe of people that's going to push you to greatness, that's going to hold you accountable, that's going to tell you that you got all the potential in the world, but you're not living up to it. And they're going to make you uncomfortable. And when you find that network of people and those few people around you that can do that, you're going to be in a great position. So I encourage people to make sure that you're getting in the right community of people that's motivating you, that pushing you, they're inspiring you, and they're driving you to greatness, because that's what it's all about. The Bible says iron sharpens iron. And if nobody's around you that's sharpening you, then you got to get in the right circle. Because I tell you what, if you're in a circle and you're the smartest person in the circle, you're not in a circle, you're in a cage. And so that's the thing you don't want to be. You don't want to be the smartest person in the room, and you don't want to be in an environment that's not letting you grow. Because if not, then it's going to just consume you, and you're going to be locked in, and you won't be able to grow and be able to share your greatness in the world. So that's what I want to drop on you guys tonight. 500K challenge. If you're looking to get in real estate, I'm your guy. I'm the coach. Understand that it's going to take hard work, that we're going to hold you accountable. We're going to push you, and you're going to be better for it. And that's what it's all about. I appreciate y'all tapping in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Y'all be blessed and have a great night.